Hi there, my scrappy friends. I just got this latest package in my post right now. The postman just left this at my door, and I'm super excited because there's something that I've been waiting for a long time, and I haven't seen a lot of people showing this on YouTube. I've just seen one person, which is White Sugar Designs, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. First of all, I also bought these precision scissors. I'm a little bit disappointed because I thought they were going to be bigger. I do have precision scissors and they are basically the same size. Let me see if I find them. Yeah, so these are the precision scissors that I was trying to use and I wasn't finding very comfortable. I thought these were gonna be bigger, but they're not. So we'll see if we have the same problems. And then I bought this single sheet of paper. It's from Prima Marketing, from their collection, Amelie Rose collection. It's called Dotty, and it's precious because it's got this dusty pink background and then the white circles with these golden dots, and it's precious. And on the other side, it's got a ledger. So, Websters pages, new Midori's came out in the Creativation. I already said in my Creativation video that I was really looking forward to them. And the reason being this. I have two very packed Websters pages Traveler's Notebook. In this one, I am basically saving my Easter and my summer holidays from 2017. And it's jam-packed. And the other one is even worse at this point because I've got all the Cocoa Daisy Traveler's Journals stuffed in here, and I have another two that I'm supposedly going to stuff in here, even if I don't get to put them with an elastic band. But this is just exploding. So this shopping spree, so to speak, is more than justified. I think I owed myself one of these because I've been using very well the latest ones, and it was very hard to decide. But I finally opted for this one. I'm very happy it came in a box. The original Websters Pages Traveler's Notebooks from a couple of years ago came in a box. And then last year, the ones that I bought, at least the pink one that I got, did not come in a box. It came just with a plastic cover. This one came in a box. Very excited about it. You get your vellum. This is something that you can use. And I opted for the mustard suede Traveler's Notebook. So I was in between this one. There was a black and gray one with flowers. There was like a beehive patterned one that was in gold and white. There was a black and white plaid, which I really loved as well. But this one stole my heart. I finally opted for this one to have something different. So this one is the mustard suede. It's a really nice mustard. I think it's going to sit nicely on my shelf together with the other two that I have. The texture of this is just amazing. It's very, very soft. I do not know how it's going to hold out over the future months because it's going to sit on a shelf with the others. I don't know how it's going to behave with dust or with it being stuffed in a bag and traveling with me on holiday, but I'll try to take care of it and I'll try to protect it when I take it out and about with me. It comes with this very pretty pink elastic band, which is like the perfect combination with the mustard color, and the tag that says "Be Yourself." That's pretty. And then one of the things that really made me fall in love with this, so I've opened this. It came with the Websters Pages notebook, which I kind of do not like because of the cream colored pages. They are not a brilliant white, so I was already stuffing it with my Felicity Jane notebooks, and this is a true white. You can see the difference in the video. It's pretty clear. This one is cream, this one is white, and I prefer this one because the papers, the pattern papers that you decide to use are gonna basically look better on this kind of background. So I'm gonna take these out for the purpose of this video so you can see how gorgeous, how amazing this is inside. I've only seen one person showing this online, so I'm very excited to show it off to you. This was one of the few Traveler's Notebooks that came with a very pretty interior design, so to speak, because I think it's the only one that I've seen that has this detail on the pockets. So this is textured, it's embossed kind of, and it's beautiful. and it comes like this on both sides. It has the normal number of pockets that all the traveler's notebooks from Webster's pages had. And what is nice about it is that the inner part of the notebook has this beautiful design with these roses. And then it's like a dusty, like a different kind of pink. So you have two pinks here. You have the baby pink, and this is a dusty pink. That's what I call this. It looks a bit more beige, creamish in the camera, but it's pink. So this is just pretty, 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 pretty. I can't say anything else about this. The stitching is perfect, like in my other Webster's Pages notebooks. The texture is just amazing. I mean, you can touch this all day long. It is false leather, obviously. It's not real leather. It comes with the Webster's Pages logo. And my Felicity Jane notebooks fit very nicely into this. So there's a lot of hype about the new passport size traveler's notebooks, which many people are excited about. I am not, because I'm kind of a bigger style kind of girl. I need space for my creation. So I've gotten used to working on this space. I think it's fine. I do miss sometimes working on a bigger surface like 12 by 12 layouts, but this is fine. The pocket passport, I think it's called passport size notebooks. The notebook would measure about this much, which I think is really very small. So people are probably going to use it for, I don't know, lists and more as a planner kind of notebook. I want this to document. I like my traveler's notebooks to document my everyday life, my holidays, and I think I've made the right decision. I am probably going to buy another one because, I mean, come on. I think I'm giving them quite a good use. I don't feel like I'm splurging money on these at all. And they are heavy duty, so even if this has been this full for quite some time, the elastic is still strong. I like the quality of these notebooks. And I'll probably buy another one of the new ones, but for the next one, I'm gonna wait until they are on sale in any one of the shops that I usually buy from. This one, I had to get my hands on it before it was sold out, because I just couldn't live with myself if it had been sold out, and I managed to get it. The minute it was online and available, I got it. And the minute I got it, I'm showing it to you. I hope you like it as much as I do. And I hope this gives you ideas. And I'll see you back very soon with more. Bye.